Hello darling, welcome back to the Crafty Bee channel. If you are new to this channel, you are very much welcome. Consider subscribing and turn on your bell notification to be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new tutorial. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate. Thank you. So in today's video, I'll be taking you through the process of cutting and sewing of this beautiful asymmetric cowl neck top you see on the screen. And it's a backless top and it's very easy and simple to make. You can see I have the fabric folded in two. I'll be using one for the lining and then one for the top, and it's the same fabric folded into two, and I'll be slitting this folded part. So let me just give you quick the measurements we are working with. The length here is 29.5 inches and the width I'm working with is 25 inches, and this is a cowl neck backless top and it has asymmetric design on the down part. So to start with, so from the shoulder to the waistline is 16 inches. That's where the bands are going to be. So you can see I have 4 bands here, 2 for the waist and then 2 for the neckline. So from this 16 inches, I'll come down about 3.5 inches. And from this 3.5 inches, I'm going to slant it to the other side. So the next thing to do is to cut it out. You can make this asymmetric side a bit longer if you want. So the next thing to do is to slit open the upper part. One is going to be for the lining and then one for the top. So this is it. So these are my 4 pieces for the strap. 1, 2, 3 and then 4. So the length is 29 inches by 2.5 inches, which I'm going to take and fold in half like this. I'm going to pin it all the way down like this. So after pinning all the 4 pieces, you can see I'm going to stitch it like so. I'll lock this end, then I'll take it all the way to the end of this strap. So I'm going to do to all the 4 pieces. I'm going to stitch all the 4 straps and then turn it inside out, iron it neatly, and come back and show you the continuation. So I have all the 4 pieces here. So what I'm going to do now is to attach it to the top. So I'll show you how I'm going to do it. So these are the 2 pieces I have. So this is a good side. So I remove the upper one for the main top and then one for the line. Here I measure 16 inches from the shoulder to the waist. I mark it down and I mark 16 inches on the other side. 16 inches on the other side too. So what I'm doing now is to place the straps inside. So I'll place one strap on the waist here and I'll pin it down like this. I'll take the other piece and also pin it on the other side. On the shoulder, I'll come down 1/2 inch for the stitching allowance. So I mark 1/2 inch. Then I place one band here. Hope you can see it like this. I'll mark 1/2 inch on the other side and place the other strap. So this is it. So the next thing to do is to bring the lining, then I'll place it on top like this. You see the stripes will be inside on the right side, and pin it all round. After pinning it, I will leave about 2 inches, flip the top inside out. Then I'll come and show you the next thing to do. After sewing it, this is how it looks. So I went ahead and notched all the edges so that when I turn it inside out, it will relax nicely. So this is the space I left to turn it inside out. So this is how it looks. So I'll go ahead and iron it neatly. So once I'm done ironing, I will just use the hemming gum to seal the opening. You can see the opening. You can see. So guys, this is our finishing look. So this is how beautiful it looks. I'll place it on my mannequin for you to see the outcome of this beautiful asymmetric cowl neck top. You see our cowl neck? This is how it looks. And also, you can choose to use two different colors, so that you can use both sides. So guys, we have come to the end of today's tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, please do well by hitting on the like button. Also share my videos to help this channel to grow. Thank you for watching, and don't miss out on my next video. Bye.